Hey everyone, I just wanted to post a quick video on my little project today. I started off the morning asking everybody about horn choices and the proper way to hook them up, things of that nature. So I had some time today, so I decided to go ahead and mount a couple of horns that were given to me by EME a few Christmases back after I'd bought a lot of stuff from them. And well, I guess it was like a promotional Christmas gift or whatever because I spent so much money. Anyhow, so it's little chrome ones there. They're two different tones. It says on them they're 108 dB, which, you know, I mean, they're not going to shatter any windows, but they sound pretty good. I removed these. These were on the bike. Two different ones. I don't know if they're supposed to be like that or if that's how they just ended up over the years. But I just made some little brackets to go underneath the lighting right there. It worked out nicely. They're very solid, thick brackets. I coated them with some WD-40 for right now. I'll probably end up maybe taking them off at some point and painting them, or I might even get them powder coated if I decide to keep this the way it is. But I wired everything up, used a relay, got it all set up nicely, as you can see. I like it. I mean, it's different, right? A little personality to the bike. I like the lights, of course. I put those on last year. So anyway, let's hear them. Turned on, so. I don't know. I'm loud enough for me for right now. I could always put something else there later if I wanted to. The bracketing is already there. It's just a plug and play at this point if I want to do something different. But thanks for the advice this morning, guys. Appreciate it. And take care.